Welcome. This is how to fix your Android camera inverted. So guys, if you ever found yourself in a situation like this, what you could try to do is just simply resetting the camera. So to do that, you could just simply go to the settings on to your phone. And right after that, you could just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here apps. So tap on it. Now, from here, guys, just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see camera. So go ahead and tap on it, and you should be able to see here storage. So here, you could just simply tap on clear cache, and this mostly fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, guys, you could just simply tap on clear data and just simply select OK. And from there, you should be able to reset the app, and this should fix your camera. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.